Yung mission ko is for her inspiration amongst the people to continue on and for the future generations to become like her. Kasi she's not privileged. She's just a small individual selling water sa train station, becoming a superstar and eventually becoming a national artist. So, yung mga yapak niyang ginawa, believe in yourself, believe that God, and anyone can do that. I want everyone to see that. Whatever their dreams are, whatever their aspirations are, they can do it as long as they believe in themselves. Yes, it's a legal responsibility for me right now, and like what I've said, it doesn't exclude any family members. I just decided to do this just to fast track things, and eventually the OPC will become a corporation eventually, and everyone's welcome on the boat. Yes, some of the siblings, yes, I've discussed it with them. Actually everything's really difficult during the beginning process. Everyone has to start and have a hard time, but through resilience and determination, we will find that momentum eventually. And like right now, we're working on the museum. After that, we have a pipeline of projects, but it's, I'm not ready to disclose that. So along the way. It's going to be on Manila, but we're planning, it's a temporary museum. And after that, we're planning another that's why we're working extra right now on memorabilia and yung these awards, the dress that she used, her impersonate superstar, the dresses that she used on her movies. We're working hard on that right now to create before we see. So yun, on process, we're works for that. We're actually discussing a deadline for it. Maybe it's going to launch sometime June this year. So we're fast tracking things so that everyone, kasi we don't want to lose momentum. We don't want the people to like yung feelings na would die down with Nora. No, we want that to continue. So we have to be aggressive. So yeah, I have a team. Of course, legal team, marketing, PR, IT, and all that. Apart from yung wife ko, she's doing all the heavy lifting regarding sa figures and whatnot. So ayun, we're really focused on this, and I hope that everyone will be there to support. Of course, pwede ako. Yeah, sa mga Noranians na may mga memorabilia, include po namin yan sa museum, and yung pinaplano po namin na museum sa mga memorabilia na like pictures, albums, clippings na pwede nilang i-share sa museum, lalagay po namin yung pangalan nyo as credit. So, malalagay sa museum yung pangalan nyo pag naka-donate po kayo or naka-share po kayo ng inyong mga memorabilia.
From any part of the world, syempre. Kasi dahil panorama siya.
Yung dami. Ang dami po. So, hindi po mawawala. And we're aggressive and doing this. It's not for me. It's not for anyone. It's for Mom. It's for Mom and what she has left behind. We don't want to put that to waste. That's why we're working extra hard for her legacy to continue on and to be passed down to our kids for the next generation para maging relevant siya always sa mga tao and to be an inspiration kasi times change so fast and we want Nora Honor's Nora honors resilience in her life and her dreams that she made a reality for an aspiration, as aspiration for the new generations to follow. So,
Ian, since this is a whole day event.
this is going to be a whole day event. We're going to be having lunch sa Bulwag, and after that, we'll be coming back here for snacks and coffee.
With are your siblings?
Yeah, I told them they're already informed about this. I gave them sa invitation sa GC, and two of the boys told them about it, but I think they have also other plans. I know.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.